Bachmann's eagerly awaited double-O gauge 45-ton Ransomes Rapier steam crane is reviewed in full in the January 2020 issue of Hornby magazine. Offered in a choice of colour schemes, Hornby magazine's Mike Wilde explains just what this high-spec model can do.
Hello and welcome to the Hornby magazine workshop. We're with Topsydale, and on the layout today we've got the new Bachmann steam crane. This is the 45-ton Ransome Rapier steam crane, and Bachmann's kindly supplied as a review sample of their BR Black model, which is livered up for Gorton Motor Power Depot as number 123. The crane has been developed so it can run as part of a breakdown train formation like we have it here, or it can be posed as if it's at a work site or collecting a piece of rolling stock that's fallen off the track. Now we're going to show how this actually works and some of the features of the crane. So Bachmann's been quite clever about how it's set this model up. It's created a lot of optional things which can be positioned to show the crane in operation. One of those is the little roof hatch here, and that will be lifted up when the driver is in the crane so you could see the jib. We've then got the chimney for the boiler, which just flips up on the back here to stand up on top of there. And just on this side as well, we've got a little step on the side of the crane body. You can't actually see that from that side with the camera. And that goes in a folded down position for when the crane is going to be in use as a crane. So to actually operate the crane, Bachmann's put two holes in the back of the boiler casing. They're covered with washout plugs. So we've got one stern here on little magnets, and we use the key that comes with the kit with the crane, and that just pops that little magnetic cover out. Having taken that out, the key can be inserted into the back of the crane now, which means we can now operate the jib from that one, or if we take it out and switch it to the other hole, we can operate the hook instead. In addition, Bachmann's also put 4 supports that can pull out on each corner of the crane body. And these are with stabilising jacks to hold the crane stable whilst it was being used. Right, so the crane's now ready to use, so we're going to start by raising the jib up, which is we put the key into the top hole in the back of the boiler. Start winding that to lift the crane up. It's quite a slow process, nice low gearing. Okay, so now we've raised the crane jib using the key on the back. The crane body can now turn as well. You can actually go through a full 360 degrees. You'll just need to be careful with the balance with this part of the model. If you have the crane jib too low, it's likely to pull the bottom of the wagon over with it. Okay, so now we've changed the key over into the lower hole on the back of the crane body, and that operates the hook on the crane instead. Now, as well as actually driving the ropes up and down off of the hook, it also operates these tiny pistons on the side and some of the gears inside the crane body as well, which hopefully I can show you here if we just very gently turn this key. And as the crane hook lowers, the pistons turn, and so do some of the gears. Now we've shown you all the features of Bachmann's 45-ton steam crane. We're going to put the jib back down and get it all ready so it can run round Topsydale to show you how it runs on the track as well.
You can see the full review on Bachmann's new 45-ton steam crane in the January 2020 issue of Hornby magazine.